Yes guys, andito na naman tayo sa ating number 17th Mystery Pack Opening. So, kumusta mga panatiko sa NBA cards dyan? Bubunot na tayo para masimulan na natin kung anong cards ang makukuha natin. Okay? So, let's it. Card number 13. 1-3. Let's see. At anong kapalaran ang makukuha natin sa pack number 13. Tingnan natin. Okay. Simulan na natin. Unang card, unang saltada. From the Charlotte Bobcats. Ay, wala na ito ngayon. Ito na yung Charlotte Hornets. No? Dati, their name was Charlotte Bobcats. Si Gerald Wallace. From the New Orleans Hornets, which is now the New Orleans Pelicans, James Posey. From the Sacramento Kings, Fleer 95-96, a shooting guard, Bobby Hurley. From the LA Clippers, this is ano ba to? Yeah, no. Point guard, no guard. Mark Jackson. So, insert card to. Mark Jackson to na, hindi to si Mark Jackson na yung maging coach ng Golden State. Ibang Mark Jackson. Ito naman, Skybox na rookie card. No? Rookie card. For the Detroit Pistons, si Isaiah Morris. The rookie card. Wow. College card 2006 from the Memphis Tigers, si Rodney Carney. Yeah, shooting guard for the Phoenix Suns, who played also for the Utah Jazz, Jeff Hornacek. For Atlanta Hawks, forward Adam Keefe. For Dallas Mavericks, Skybox, shooting guard Derek Harper. Ito magaling to na player. Tumanda lang. Tumanda na. Magaling na player. An expansion card for an expansion team, Minnesota Timberwolves, Shelton Johnson, forward. And you have 4 sleeve cards. Point guard, number 15 card for Prism, Jameer Nelson. Kita mo ang ganda ng card. Ano rin to? Insert card talaga. Green parallel. Another Prism card. Robert Covington of the Houston Rockets. Point guard from Topps Stadium Club. From Portland Trail Blazers, Rod Strickland. Stadium Club. And I think number 1 pick to dati ng Milwaukee Bucks ba to siya nagsimula? Playing for the Sacramento. Na-injured lang to eh. ACL to ata. From Sacramento Kings, Jabari Parker. Galing. So that's it, guys. So that's our ilang cards ba ngayon? So we have 14 cards, no? So we have 14 cards. So that's it, guys, no? That's it for today. Our 14 cards in store. So tomorrow is our 18th card, no? 18th pack, sorry. Tomorrow is our 18th pack. So let's see, no? So that's it for me. Ciao everyone. God bless. Bye-bye. Let Nick out.